Hey, what's that thing on top, Jacob?
Megaphone.
A megaphone. Can you show us how it works?
Yes.
How about this? Say, my name is Jacob.
My name is Jacob.
Okay, now say, my name is Jacob in the megaphone.
My name is Jacob in the megaphone.
All right, buddy.
Walk, walk, walk.
So Jacob, what do you think about your playset? What do you like the best about it?
This one best.
What?
This one is the best. I do not. Actually, the megaphone is the best. So here's what the finished product looks like. As the video title suggests, this playset was made by a company called Adventure World Playsets. This particular swing set package was called Jolly Jamboree package number J88-1. One of the good things about Adventure World is all of their sets are completely customizable. For instance, here's what the Jolly Jamboree package looks like on Adventure World's website. As you can see, we were able to mix and match colors as we pleased. Although the original set was white and blue, we were able to make the big tube slide yellow as well as all of the swings. Since we had no use for the small tube slide, you see here, Adventure World allowed us to take it out and gave us full credit for the value of that slide. Some other items we chose to add was a monkey bars, a picnic table, complete decking throughout the bottom of the playset, and a megaphone.
Say, my name is Jacob.
My name is Jacob.
Okay, now say, my name is Jacob in the megaphone.
My name is Jacob in the megaphone.
All right, buddy.
We also opted for a grown-up swing. Here's my dad testing it out. And as you can see, he fits just well. And for scale, here's my sister on that same swing. Overall, this set has plenty of features. It has not just one, not two, but 3 slides.
Yeah. All right.
Yes. Whoa, The rock climbing wall is about 7 feet tall.
What is that?
Rock climbing wall.
It's a rock climbing wall. Can you show us how it works?
It has a glider swing that can fit 2 people. And make no mistake, this thing can catch some air.
Oh my goodness, buddy.
Nope. Oh, and just in case you're wondering, the set is made of mostly vinyl wrapped wood. All of the decking and roofs are also made of water-resistant vinyl. That said, there's not much maintenance required for upkeep. Well, thank you so much for watching. Until next time!